out of 4-2 Revhead, Sam Chesky, Chris Ware, Nik Keeley, and Ruby. Deduction, I think it's Nik Keeley. Crash crew straight into action. That was an absolute monster rollover. Hopefully is all... What a monster rollover. Put your hands together. Nik Keeley jumps out of the car. Still in good spirits. I'll see if he wants to grab a quick chat. Nick, got rid of the junior set here last week and picked this thing up earlier in the week, and definitely not how you wanted to do your first night in Modlites.
Oh no, yeah, it's a bit of a piss off, but I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry that I can't say that, but yeah, I'm just devastated. Brand new car.
Hey, as long as you're alright, you feeling alright, mate?
Yeah, a bit of a headache and a bit of a sore knee, but other than that, fine.
I know car's replaceable. Real safe car too, you climbed out of that, you've got to be happy with that at least.
Yeah, definitely.
Righto. Another round of applause, Nik Keeley. Absolutely huge, his first night of Modlite racing.